Hello guys and welcome back. So now that we have edited our dashboard, let's take a look to our website. This is our website. As you can see, we have this already made background, okay? And we have no content at all. So in this video, we'll try to edit the background and then add some text to our website. So for the background, I will just use Google, okay? Then I will pick any background that go with my niche. My website is about history facts, so I will use one of those backgrounds. For example, let's try this one. I will click Save Image, okay? Then let's name it background and hit the Save button. Now I have the image right here. If your image is bigger than 100 kilobytes, try to reduce it by using the mass. Okay, we will use the mass compressor that you have already installed on your laptop. Then we click this. My image isn't that big, but I will just try the software just to explain you how you can do it too. Okay, I will paste the folder, okay, the folder directory right here. Then for the size, I won't be changing the size, but the quality I want it to be lower. I will try with 30, okay, and hit compress. Then I will have my reduced, okay, my reduced image right here. As you can see, it has only 23 kilobytes, and this one have like 39, okay, kilobytes. I will try to see if this, okay, it's not that clear, okay, so I will use this one instead, okay, because 39 isn't that big, okay, so I will just use this one. Then we need to go and upload, okay, we need to go and upload our image. For that we need to go to our cPanel, then click File Manager. Then we go to Public HTML, then SS, okay, then CSS. And I need to delete this one and click Confirm. Okay. Then I will click Upload. And then I will just select this one. And let's wait. And it's done, okay? Now we close this tab, okay? And if we hit the reload button, we will see our new background. Let's take a look at our website. If I refresh the page, I won't be able to see the changes because my laptop, okay, my computer is having some website caches, okay. So to be able to see the changes, I will need to open the source code, okay. Then I will go to CSS style. I will see this background JPG file. Then I will replace the style CSS with it and hit enter. I will see my previous image. Then I will simply click refresh. and I'm having my new background. Now let's close those tabs. I will just refresh the page. Okay. My website still having some crashes, so let's try with a private navigation. Okay. Using the private navigation, we can see that the modification has already been made. Okay. Now it's time to add some content to our website. As I have said before, you need to have some content since you will be having some Google ads on your website. So if you are planning to use 2 ads on your website, try to have some bigger text, okay? Some longer text. But if you don't have the will to write yours, you can just copy some facts. You will find them online. In my case, I will just copy some. Yes, copy paste working till today. For people who said if you copy paste you won't make money, we are making money using only copy paste. Okay. Then I will just copy some of those facts, and then I will, in my dashboard, okay, I will click add new jog and click paste. Okay, I will do it here too and click save. Then I will add the other one. Okay, and I will add a third one. Okay, let's use this third fact. No, let's use this one. Okay, add past, and let's check our website. Now we have some facts right here. If we click show new fact, I will see some content. So that's all for this video. See you on the next one. Hello guys and welcome back. So in the previous video I have shown you how you can add some content to your website. As you can see right here, we have added some content and some facts to our website. Okay. So now it's time to add the images that will be shown on Facebook when we share our website. I'm talking about this one. Okay, it's in the Open Graph tag. Okay, as you can see. To do that, you need to go to your cPanel. Okay, then click File Manager. Then you need to go to Public HTML. Then images. As you can see, I have already added some images, and you can notice some text where I'm asking you to use a specific extension and also a specific size. This is recommended by Facebook, and this is the extension that is working with our PHP file that is responsible of changing the following Open Graph. As you can see right here, when I refresh the page, the image changed. Okay, so now we need to create some of the images that will be shared, and I will be using Photoshop for that. This is the width we will be using and the height. Okay, as I have said before, this is recommended by Facebook. Then we click create. I will simply type a date, okay, or a year, because I'm using the niche when. Okay, I will type 2018, okay, something like this. Okay, let's put it at the center. Then I will just add some stroke to it, and I guess this is enough. Then I will click right here, then export, then save for web, okay. Then I will choose here JPEG, okay. Now let's click save. Then I will just put them in a folder right here. Let's call it images. And let's name it 2018. Now I will be making some more images. And I guess that's enough, okay? I have all my images right here, okay? They aren't big, okay, in the size, so I won't be needing the mass image compressor. But if your images are more than 50 kilobytes, you need to use it, okay? Now I will delete those files, okay? I need to delete everything here. I can do that by clicking select all, okay? Then click delete and skip the trash and permanently delete the files and confirm that. Now I need to click upload. Then I will select the images that I have made, okay, and wait until they finish uploading. And well done. So if we go back and refresh this page, we will see our images, and we can see that on the source, okay. So I will reload this page, okay, and then I will notice that it's changing, okay. As you can see right here, the images are changing. So we are done. See you in the next video.